Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Weslo Cadence G5.9 Treadmill. Yeah. Back when I was in kind of a rut and I kind of gained a bit of weight about maybe 5 years ago, and I knew I needed to do something to, get me back in the spirit of exercise and just get me back into good shape. I knew I didn't want to have to actually leave the house and go running. So I thought of a way to actually do my running here at home. And what I did was I went out and got a treadmill. Now, this treadmill, it works very well. And I've had it now for, like I said, 5 years, and it is actually a lifesaver, and it really does what it's supposed to do. It is really, really good. What I do is I run on it for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes every day. A lot of times, if I feel really intense about my exercise, I'll sprint, for a good minute or two. Yeah, but this has a lot to offer. It really does. It's really, really a good treadmill. First of all, what makes it the best, the absolute best, is that it's a space saver. It really is. What you can do is you can lift this end right here. This whole thing lifts up like that, and it folds. You see? It folds, and you could put it away like in your closet if you have to, and just bring it out when you need to. It's pretty heavy, so you don't want to have to do that every day unless you just don't mind lifting something heavy. But the thing is, it's possible. You can fold it up and put it away. Say if you're not going to use it for a while, you can lift it up and fold it away and put it away. Yeah. The thing is also, it has 6 personal trainer workout. Yeah. It has all these different functions and speeds that you can apply, and it's just really, really good. You can make it extremely intense, or you can just pick just a run at the same speed for however long you want to do it. It will tell you about your heart rate and how fast you're going and how much you've burned. It was everything that I needed. Everything. The intensity has 6 different levels. You can do a 30-minute weight loss setting. You can do a 20-minute intensity setting. You can do a 40-minute intensity setting. It's all programmed in there, and it controls how intense your workout is and how much weight you lose. So it gets it all there for you. Yeah, Weslo's pretty good. And also, it has these things at the bottom, if you can see. Right how I have it here is it's at an incline. If you can see that. It's at an incline. It goes all the way down here. But if that just makes it more intense. It just makes it far more intense, But what you have here is these things, these levers actually turn like this, so this thing will be completely flat and level. I like the incline because it makes it harder, and that's exactly what I want. I want it to be pretty intense, and with it at an incline, it gives you a harder workout. It just does. That's just how it is, and I like it that way. Yes, this is a very, very It's a very good a treadmill, and it will do what it's supposed to do. I really like the fact that it has cushions here. These are very soft, to the touch and to hold. Yeah. It gives you spaces here to put, like, say, your drink or any kind of rag or anything for your, your head if you're gonna be dripping with sweat. Anything you want to hold right here, it has the space for it. Also, what I usually do when I'm doing my workout, it has a little space right here where you can put your, like, say, like a tablet or something. Like, I'll use a tablet right here, and I'll have an actual training program going on, like from YouTube or something, and I'll just be watching it while I'm working out, and it really works. It really does a good job. I mean, it's everything I needed. No downside, really. Yeah, that is really, really what I needed at the time, and I ended up losing like 25 pounds, and in all the right spots, and I felt great afterwards. Yeah, this is really good. Now, this is the Weslo Cadence G59 Treadmill. I hope you guys use this information. Very good treadmill. Really hope you like it, because I did. All right, I'll talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.